Good morning, children. What happened? Nobody is speaking today.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Where are you all lost? Noel, Avika, Srishti.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Only 4 students. Okay, one more has joined. Children, we were drawing crops in our last class, right? Yes or no?
What, ma'am?
We were drawing any 5 crops that are grown across the country, isn't it? In the last class, what did we do?
Yes, ma'am. We are doing that only.
We are doing that only now. So how much have you completed? How much have we completed? Because we did not complete it all. You people did it, but did not submit your work, isn't it? Now in today's class, you are going to continue that work and send it on the class group. Is that fine? If it's clear to all of you, then show me a raised thumb. Then show a thumbs up to me. Yes. Noel, have you completed your drawing, beta?
No, ma'am.
No? So you're going to do it today. Advika, what about you? Advika, even you're an artist. Noel is also an artist of the class. Do you know that? I want you to draw very nicely, Advika. And who else is very good at drawing? Who else in the class has got good drawing? Okay, all of you have the potential to do it nicely. There is nothing around us that cannot be done. We all can draw very well. So each one of you is going to do this work very beautifully. Is that fine? Adeshika, how much have you done? Did you attend the previous class, beta? Unmute yourself and speak. How much have you done?
Ma'am, please tell again what we have to draw.
Beta, you have to draw any 5 crops that are grown in our country. There are so many crops which are grown across the country, right? So you have to draw any 5 of them. And you
Ma'am, we have to draw on the lining page or a white page.
Blank page. Draw it on a blank page and you have to write which crop is that and it is grown in which state. Is that fine? Show me a thumbs up if it is fine for all of you. I want to see everyone's thumbs up. I want all of you to participate in this thing. Yes, very good, Srishti. Very good. Very good, Karthik. Good, Shreyansh. Nihit, Ritvik, Avika, where are your thumbs up? Very good, Lakshay. Very good, Adeshika. Everybody just hurry up. Divide your page. Divide your blank page in 5 blocks. Is that fine? And you can draw different crops like cotton, jute, sugarcane, wheat, and how it looks you can see from Google. Everybody has got a phone in his or her hand, so you can just Google, type maize crop and go on images and choose the best image and try to draw that. Color it very nicely. Outline your crop with a black pen. Okay? So that it looks very neat and clean.
Ma'am, please tell name.
Name, see the heading will be crops grown across the country. I'm typing the heading in the chat box. Crops grown.
No, ma'am, we have to draw on Which crops?
Any 5
Or
crops of
any
your
crops?
choice. Yes. Any. You want to draw sugarcane, you can draw that. You want to draw cotton plant, you can draw that. It should be a crop. Okay? Don't get confused between fruit, vegetables, and crops. Fruits and vegetables are different. Crops are different. Fine? So start doing this work. This is your work in continuation. In the previous class, children had started doing the work. Noel, can you please show it to others in the class what you have drawn till now? Let them just have an idea.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, all of you, please look into the camera. Beta, bring it closer.
Okay, ma'am.
And lift it a little higher. Take it up. Lift your copy a little higher.
Ma'am, copy.
Yes, like this. Bring it. Yes. See what he has drawn. This is maize that he has drawn. Bring it closer to the camera. And under this corn, he has drawn what? Wheat or maize. What is it? Wheat?
Yes, ma'am, wheat.
See, children,
Ma'am,
how
can
he
I
has
show
drawn.
you the next picture?
Yes, show the next picture. The next one is
Rice, ma'am.
rice. So beautiful. Very nice. See, children, this is how you have to draw. And try to complete this work today, all of you. Noel, I want you to complete this work today, beta. Outline
Okay,
it. Outline it. Everybody will use black pens to outline. Fine? And color your picture very neatly, very nicely. If you don't have a black pen, you can use black pencil color also to make it look good and neat. Adeshika, start doing your work. Those who have joined the class late, children, do you know what we are doing? We are continuing the work of the previous class. What was your previous class work? We were drawing crops, any 5 crops that are grown across the country. Because you have not shown me the work, so in this class, you're going to complete that work and show it to me. Is that clear, Apurva and Shaurya?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear, Atharv, Mahendru? Tanmay, Virat, If anyone has got any doubt about the work, what is being done, you can ask once again. Atharv, if you're speaking something, beta unmute yourself. All of you try to complete the work today by the end of this class, okay? And share the pics. Only 20 minutes are left for the class to get over. I hope all of you have written the heading, crops grown across the country. And before sharing your pics, children, please make sure that you name the crop that you have drawn and also write the state where it is grown. Okay? Don't just send raw and incomplete picture. Just finish your picture with every detail. Detail means it should include all the colors, it should include the name and the state where it is grown. Make your work very presentable, very nice. It should please a person's eye. Whosoever looks at it, he should say, wow, nice work. Advika, are you listening to me, Advika Gupta?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, why haven't you completed it? Tell me. You have not even written for sugarcane. And whenever you write like this, you have drawn something. Now you want to name it. How do you name it? Whenever you label it, you always do it in bold letters. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone will write the crop's name in bold letters and then write the name under it where it is grown. Fine. Advika, do you have a black pen?
Yes, ma'am. I will underline it.
It's not about underlining. You also have to outline it. Okay. And draw these blocks very nicely. Whichever sketch pen you have, whatever color, just divide the page with a sketch pen. And where is the fifth crop? These are just four crops. You've drawn very nicely, but you can just make them more beautiful.
Okay.
Now do the needful in the leftover time. We still have 10 minutes left. Complete it and show it to me again, Advika. Good work. Children, only 2 minutes are left. How many have done? Noel, how much is left? Pratishta Singh, Apurva Shaurya. How much is left? Tell me.
Ma'am, we are coloring. Ma'am, I have drawn. Ma'am, I have drawn. I'm just coloring it now.
Hurry up, beta, and try to post your work today only. Okay?
Okay.
Tanmay has already posted. Beta, Tanmay, So small, huh? So small. Such small pictures. I told you divide the whole page in 5 blocks. And what have you done? You have not even used half of the page for drawing these 5 crops. Beta, why don't you listen to the instructions carefully? Why do you children do this? Are you class 1 or 2 children now? Huh? And dragon fruit, is it a crop? Tell me. Which crop is dragon fruit? I told you fruits and vegetables are different and crops are different. All right, now time to end the class. All of you are asked to post. It is compulsory for all of you to post the work today itself. I'm going to check the group. Okay? Don't ignore this instruction of mine. Bye to all of you.